Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to the vlog. It's currently 8 o'clock in the morning. I'm going out on a one-day trip with my office teammates, and I thought of taking you guys along. This is mostly going to be a weekend vlog. Let's quickly have some coffee and then we can leave. So we had gone to area 83. If you're in Bangalore, you need to visit this place. It's really nice. Then we played a lot of games, sharing a few with y'all. Human foosball. Paintball. It's like a lot of fun, but you still need to be really careful while playing paintball because you might get hurt. I don't remember the name of this game, but अगर आपने तकेशी's castle देखा होगा तो ये गेम उसमें आता था. We left around 6:30 and then Bangalore traffic. Hey everyone, good morning. It's totally the next day. Last night I came back around 9 o'clock and I had food, edited and went to sleep. Totally was very tired. Got up in the morning, got my video live. Go watch it. It would be up by the time you watch this vlog. I'll link it right here. Right now I am having this smoothie. You might have seen me having this a lot of times on my stories. So I'll put the ingredients here. Try it if it's really tasty and healthy. French nails dance. They're basically gel paint on my original nails. They just make your hands look very neat and tidy. So I'm right now at home center. Let me show you all around what all is there here. I found these and these look so pretty. Just look at the design in them. ये पूरा as a set बहुत अच्छा लगेगा. If you like a black and wooden theme for your kitchen, then Home Center has some really good options. These look like a good option for your central table or maybe side table. I would probably never go with this vibe, but yeah, maybe someone might. So just inspo for y'all. They even had a really wide range of artificial flowers. We're at my favorite place to eat. I'll show you just in a minute. It becomes very difficult to talk in public, me totally being new to it, but I'm trying.